It's yet another setback for senior Congress leader and former MP Rahul Gandhi. His plea for a stay on the 2-year jail term sentence has been dismissed. He'd been found guilty by a Surat court of criminal defamation over the Modi Surname remark last month. What this essentially means is until the case reaches Gujarat High Court and a verdict is delivered, the former Wayanad MP will remain suspended from the Lok Sabha, and there's a very real possibility that bypose could also be called for now. However, Rahul Gandhi is going to now appeal in the Gujarat High Court tomorrow. While delivering the verdict, the court said there weren't enough grounds to believe that if the March 23 judgment of the trial court was not stayed, it would cause irreparable damage to Rahul Gandhi's reputation, and that prima facie, the verdict was well reasoned and delivered after proper evaluation of evidence. However, that hasn't stopped the Congress and other sympathetic parties from questioning the ruling. In fact, the Congress went ahead and said that the way the BJP is talking about today's verdict, it is clear that this is done to silence Rahul Gandhi, since he has rattled the BJP and the PM.
A most unfortunate and unsustainable legal decision of the magistrate has been upheld in an even more unsustainable and erroneous judgment of the Sessions Court given today. Let me assure you that the judgment will be challenged in accordance with law in the very near future. Superior courts with constitutional power of judicial review have the power and will set right these legal errors found in these two judgments.
न्यायालय का जो भी निर्णय है उस पर तो कोई टिप्पणी कर ही नहीं सकता। आपने देखा होगा कि मोदी जी को चुनाव आते ही सब गाली देना शुरू कर देते हैं विपक्ष के लोग, अपशब्द कहना शुरू कर देते हैं विपक्ष के लोग, और जितनी वो अपशब्द कहते हैं उतनी बुरी वो हारते हैं। मैं उनसे यही कहूँगा कि पिछले जो उदाहरण हैं उनसे वो एक तरीके का सीख ले और अपनी जमान को फिसलने से रोके।
So is this a miscarriage of justice, as the Congress says, or arrogance, as the BJP claims? Neeti Jain, spokesperson of BJP, joins us along with lawyer Deshratan Nigam, Rohan Mitra, political analyst, and Pankaj Sharma, political analyst. Wouldn't it just be simpler, Mr. Sharma, for Mr. Gandhi to apologize? Now, it's the second court which has also said there is nothing wrong in the judgment. Mr. Sharma, can you hear me? Well, the curse of 7 p.m. has struck again. Rohan Mitra, can you take that question?
Good evening, Padmaja. Can you hear me?
Good evening. Yes, loud and clear, thankfully.
Yeah. Okay. So, once we are opening up ourselves on the debate on discussing our judgment, so one more judgment has just come out today. Before I go further into my argument, the Narodia-Palodia one, where the Gujarat High Court has acquitted all the accused. So, coming back to my argument here, the first and foremost thing you have to understand that the Indian Constitution and the law will allow Mr. Gandhi to go to a higher court. So, to call him arrogant, call him, he needs to apologize. Why? When the Indian Constitution and the legal system is allowing him two more upper tiers, and as you heard Mr. Manu Singhvi, who's one of the best lawyers in the country, say that the judgment is erroneous, it's unsustainable. So there is a space in the political system as well as the legal system.
Sure it is. Sure there is. But then again, when you are coming out and saying that two judges are wrong in what they have said, now the entire judgment gives reasons as to why they do not think Mr. Gandhi can be given any kind of relief at this stage. The political fallout, though, is that he is being accused of arrogance. He earlier said, I'm not going to apologize, I am not Savarkar. Today again the court is saying he is guilty of defamation.